Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID has been disabled issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to general, and then go to software update and check if there is any update available for you like this. Then simply update your device to the latest version. After this, go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time. Again, go back and go to language and region and select your country or region correctly. Go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.